µBites is a novel food production technology where we convert both crop waste and plastic waste into its initial building blocks and feed those initial building blocks to a consortium or a group of engineered yeast. They convert these initial building blocks into protein, and then we use that protein to 3D print our protein cookies. I think converting plastic into food is beneficial over recycling it because of two reasons. One is we are providing a solution for plastic waste accumulation in the environment. Secondly, we are providing an alternative food source to answer the food scarcity issues currently the world is facing.
If you want to produce food in a very extreme environment using the resource you have, carbon resource waste, like Arctic or the desert, and potentially one day in the Mars or the lunar surface, µBites can be do that job.